Now for the sleeve, we are making bishop sleeve. So guys, the length I'm having here is 19 inches. 19 by 14.5. This is on fold. That is, if I open it up, it should be 29 inches. Now I folded my fabric into 4 equal pieces because I'm cutting the two sleeves together. So the first thing to mark, my round sleeve is 14 inches. Divided into 2 will give me 7. I added extra 2 inches allowance, making it 9 inches. I'll mark 9 inches here. From this point, I will mark 4 inches. That is 4 inches. Then from this point, I will take it down to this side. Then I'll go ahead and curve it like so. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Then I'll go ahead and put a notch at this point, which is the shoulder point. So if I open it up, this is how it looks. Then the down part will be having band. I'll go ahead and fold my fabric into 4 as well. I'll mark 4.5 inches. I want the band to be 2 inches. I'll go ahead and open it. My round sleeve is 10 inches. That is right at this elbow. The measurement is 10 inches. So if I divide it into, it will give me 5 inches. Then I'll add extra, because it's a band, I'll add extra 1.5 so that by the time I'm through sewing, I can cut off the excess to avoid it being short. So I'll go ahead and measure 6.5 inches. That is extra 1.5 inches. The width is 4.5 and the length is 13 inches. You can see if you open it up, the length is 13 while the width is 4.5. So this will serve as my band. So guys, we are done with the cutting. The next day will be sewing aspect of it. So the next thing I'll be working with will be the sleeve. I want to attach the sleeve before I close it up. Now place the sleeve like so. I'll fold it into 2 equal sides. Then I'll put a notch at the midpoint. The same thing I'll do to the second side. Now this is the band. I will as well put a notch at the midpoint of the band. Then I'll open it up. The next thing I'll do is to pleat my sleeve to match. I'll just leave half an inch at the 2 edges. I'll leave half an inch in all the 4 edges. I'll go ahead and make a pleat. I'll pleat it. The midpoint should rhyme with this midpoint. The next thing I'll do after sewing the sleeve, I've already attached it to the band. You can see I'll go ahead and place the right side facing each other. I will join the sleeve, the two sleeves. After then, I will show you the next thing I will do. I'll place it like so. The same thing to the second side. Now, I want to shape the sides. My bust measurement is 38 divided into 2 will give me 19 inches. I have 20 inches here. If I mark 19 inches, I have 1 inch left. That means I will use half inch and shape it by the two sides, half inch here and half inch here. My waist measurement is 33 inches divided into 2. My waist measurement is 33 divided into 2 will give me 16 and half. So altogether I'll use half inch to shape it. Then from the sleeve side, my round sleeve is 10 inches. I will mark divided into 2 will give me 5 inches, but I don't want it to be too tight. If you want it to be too tight, you can go with that 5 inch, but I will go with 5 1/4. Then from this point, I'll close it. Then at this side, I'll use half inch and shape the sleeve. I'll use half inch to shape it in this at the two sides, but the band I'm using 5 1/4. You can see the top. This is the bishop sleeve. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video.